13 after 14. Apples numbers. 17 after 18. 18 after 19. 19 after 20. Balloons numbers. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. Now, next worksheet. Color the circles with the smallest number. Which number is the smallest number? Can you tell me? 7, 9, 18. 7 is the smallest number, so color it. 19, 14, 15. Which number is the smallest number? 14. 2, 8, 3. Which number is the smallest number? 2. 5, 15, 8. Which number is the smallest number? 5. 10, 5, 6. Which number is the smallest number? 5. 11, 10, 8. Which number is the smallest? 8. 2, 6, 4. Which number is the smallest number? 2. जैसे हम लोग किए वैसे ही आप लोग को करना है कलर. जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है उसको कलर करना है. कलर ईच नंबर विथ डिफरेंट कलर्स. हम लोग को कलर्स डिफरेंट कलर्स के साथ इन सबको फिल करना है 1 to 10 नंबर्स के. So let's start. Now completed my last worksheet. I hope you like my worksheets. So please like, share, subscribe. Study with Kirti. Bye bye. See you next video.